I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action Constant Contact. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the Constant Contact application. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Choose your refresh token type. Create. Please edit it. Provide a redirect URI, copy it from your Bid Integrations dashboard, and paste it on the Constant Contact site. Copy the client ID and paste it on the integration site. Generate client secret. Copy the client secret, close and save it. Now go to your integration site and paste it. Authorize it. Allow access. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose your desired source. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features you can use, including action and conditional logic for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your Constant Contact site and navigate to All Contacts. Here, you can see that Constant Contact has successfully received the data. Thanks for watching.